State health officials confirmed 2 new measles cases in Grant County, bringing Wisconsin's total to 36. The Department of Health Services says these new infections are connected to those earlier cases we told you about last week in Iowa and Lafayette counties. Investigators say they're tracing exactly where those infected have traveled to, just to see if there is a common thread and if anyone else has been exposed. Of course, measles is highly contagious and it spreads easily through the air, but health leaders remind us the vaccine is still your absolute best defense.